Hello, my name is Devon Bankett, and I'm a crusader for health. And what's a crusader for health? A person who's fighting to get more people healthier. I have a question for you. Do you think like me that there's some type of conspiracy taking place when companies are able to add all type of chemicals to our food like high fructose corn syrup? Farmers are feeding our animals that we eat petrochemicals. The government knows that refined sugar is poison for the body. Artificial sweeteners are causing cancer. The fluoride that you use in your toothpaste is the same chemical used in rat poison. Water is the #1 breeding ground for bacteria, and the bottled water that's in the plastic seeps into the liquid. The vegetables that we eat are full of pesticides, all in the name of making us sick and keeping the pharmaceutical companies rich. We understand that most people will not change their eating habits, and we're not going to fight you on this. We only want you to add to your diet the nutrition that your body is dying for. Click on the button here and receive the information that the pharmaceutical companies don't want you to know about. It's your choice.